In this video, we will be reading three different passages of English which start from the level beginner, intermediate, and then end up at the advanced level. The importance of learning English. English is a very useful language. People speak it in many countries. If you know English, you can talk to more people. You can also watch English movies and understand songs. English helps in travel, jobs, and study. Many books are written in English. That is why learning English is a good idea. Everyone should try to learn it. This was the beginner level. Now, intermediate. Why English matters today? English is known as a global language and learning it opens many doors. It helps people connect with others from different parts of the world. Many universities, businesses and webs use English as their main language. Speaking English can help you get better jobs more easily. It also helps you different cultures through books and films. With daily practice, anyone can improve skills and benefit from it. This was the intermediate level. The global relevance of English in the modern era. In today's interconnected world, English functions as a vital bridge across cultures, economies, and technologies. It serves as the primary medium in international diplomacy, global trade, academic research, and digital communication. Mastery of English not only enhances professional prospects but also fosters access to diverse perspectives and innovations. As linguistic boundaries blur in the digital age, English plays a pivotal role in shaping global citizenship and intellectual collaboration. Thus, its importance extends far beyond conversation. It's a tool of influence and empowerment. जब मैं सबसे पहले वाला पैसेज रीड कर रहा था तो मैंने कहीं पे भी फुल स्टॉप पे ब्रेक नहीं दिया, कहीं भी कॉमा पे ब्रेक नहीं दिया, मैंने कोई भी स्टॉप्स नहीं दिए. सेकंड वाले पे मैंने कुछ वर्ड्स मिस किए जो कि मैं इंटेंशनली कर रहा था, क्योंकि इस लेवल पे होता क्या है कि हम जल्दबाजी कर रहे होते हैं, हमें थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस अपने ऊपर आ जाता है और हम वर्ड्स मिस कर देते हैं. एडवांस लेवल की जो इंग्लिश होती है, यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए हमें बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है. सालों से प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ तब जाके इस लेवल पे आया हूँ. तो चलिए अपना ध्यान रखिए, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. See you again. Thank you.